Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has categorized Nvidia as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.67. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this duration. Throughout this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 15.57% since we initially recommended purchasing Nvidia 32 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.49% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected. The trend observed over the past 3 months indicates a potential change of around 26.62% in the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 13.95% and 35.44%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it suggests a significant change of approximately 186.52% over the next year, with potential returns between 147.09% and 205.18%. This would result in a projected price range of around $350.82 to $433.30 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline: Nvidia stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after the Friday trading session. The Nvidia stock price experienced a decline of 3.26% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, dropping from 146.76 to 141.98. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.68%, reaching a low of 140.8 and a high of 145.24. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions and has increased by 4.86% over the last 2 weeks. Although the volume rose by 61 million shares on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 244 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $34.64 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $149.76, while the lowest was $45.1. Currently, the stock price sits 5.19%, or $7.78, below the 52-week high of $149.76, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia is generating significant buzz ahead of its upcoming earnings report on the 20th of November, 2024, with analysts expressing optimism about its performance. The company's rapid growth, driven by its dominance in artificial intelligence-driven data centers, which now account for 88% of its revenue, has resulted in a remarkable 38% increase in stock value since the last upgrade. Nvidia's market capitalization has now exceeded $3.6 trillion, with projections suggesting a potential rise to between $5.69 trillion and $6.32 trillion by the year 2029. This sustained growth depends on its ability to maintain a competitive edge in the artificial intelligence sector, where recent benchmarks indicate it faces few notable rivals. Analysts are raising their price targets, reflecting a bullish sentiment about Nvidia's trajectory. Following its recent achievement of becoming the largest public company by market capitalization, the stakes are high. The upcoming earnings report is crucial, as a significant earnings beat could further solidify investor confidence and elevate the stock price in the short term. In the long term, Nvidia's continued leadership and strategic investments in artificial intelligence semiconductors could strengthen its market position, suggesting promising returns for shareholders in the future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned NVDA a perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nvidia stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average, indicating a mixed outlook. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall positive sentiment towards the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance near $146.44. Conversely, if it declines, it is expected to find support around $136.94. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that may impact short-term performance. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 7, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 4.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased while prices fell, which could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 44 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $117.59 and $116.91. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, Nvidia's support is just below today's level at $117.59. If this support level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $116.91 and $108. This stock displays average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $5.16 between its high and low, representing 3.68%. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.89%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 20th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 74 cents. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $143.59. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia's initial support level is at $117.59. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of November, 2024, Ochoa Ellen made an insider purchase of no shares. On the 9th of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A executed an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted another insider sale, this time of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A sold 40,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A again sold shares, totaling 165,100 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.380. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,882,865 shares in these recent 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $135.94, representing an increase of 4.26%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia presents several negative indicators, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, due to the potential for a turnaround, it should be considered as a hold or accumulate in this position while we await further developments. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of November, we anticipate Nvidia will open up approximately 453 ten-thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $142.43. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.